404, page not found. You ever get that on your website? You know, it's not just annoying. It could be costing you thousands in lost sales. I'll show you how to fix it in minutes, stopping those valuable customers from clicking away from your website for good. Just stick around for a simple, quick fix. Have you ever clicked on the link expecting great info, only to hit a dead end? That's that annoying 404 not found error. It tells visitors that the page that they wanted to see just isn't there, and it's super frustrating. But for your business, it's more than just frustrating. It drives away potential customers instantly. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst, and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. And today, we're tackling these sneaky 404 errors. So you need to fix these, because that person who just went to your website and saw it, they're going to leave your site extremely fast. So let's get this sorted. Those 404 errors are like hitting a locked door when someone wants to buy from you. They click that link because they were interested, maybe as in a specific service or product that you mentioned. And dead end. They feel lost, annoyed, and guess what? They probably won't try searching your site again. They're just going to click that backlink and go to your competitor. A friend of mine ran into this error in probably one of the worst case scenarios. They were running live ads to a page that they recently updated, but they accidentally deleted it. So when potential customers clicked the ad, they hit a 404, got confused, and gave up. And because it wasn't found fast, they had it running for a week of sending traffic to a page that just wasn't there. And I mean, it was a simple mistake, but it was costing them a lot. So just keep in mind, every 404 error is a potential lost customer or a lead. Fixing them isn't just tech stuff, it's crucial for your sales and reputation. So with that said, you need a way to catch these broken paths. Okay, so what happens when someone hits that broken link? Typically, they're stuck. They don't know where to go next. Most people won't bother searching your site from scratch. But the good news is there's an easy fix. Think of it like putting up a helpful sign when a road is closed. It's called a redirect. Instead of showing that error, your website automatically sends a visitor to the right page. And if you move content, you send them to the new location. The best thing, it's easy. It happens instantly. The visitor might not even notice it. They just land on the page that they were looking for or a very similar one. Redirects are your best friend for fixing those 404 errors. They guide lost visitors smoothly to where they need to be, keeping them on your site and happy. But how do you find these errors and set up the redirects easy? I'm going to show you that next. Okay, so manually checking every single link on your website sounds like a nightmare. But luckily, if you use WordPress, there's a fantastic free tool that does all the hard work for you. And it's an easy to find plugin called Redirection. This plugin is going to automatically watch for your 404 errors happening on your website. And once you install it and activate it, it's going to keep a log of all the errors that it finds. When someone hits a 404 error, the plugin records the broken link that they tried to visit. Then all you have to do is look at the list. If you see a broken link, you tell the plugin where visitors should go instead. After that, just paste in the broken link that people are going to, and then the correct link in the target URL and click Add Redirect. And done. That's all you have to do. Use that redirection plugin to automatically find the 404 errors and easily set up fixes. All you have to do is check it regularly, maybe once a month to keep your site healthy, or after any major changes you do. Let's talk about a different scenario. What if the page they wanted is just gone? What do you do then? Sometimes the problem is that the content someone is looking for just doesn't exist anymore, and there's no perfect replacement page. Maybe it's like an old promotion or a service you no longer offer. You can't just send them nowhere. So where should that redirect go? Think about this. What's the next best place? If it was a specific product that you stopped selling, maybe redirect it to a main category page for similar products. If it's an old blog post, maybe redirect it to a newer related post or the main blog page. Your goal is to send them somewhere useful and relevant and not just dump them anywhere. And if you really can't find a related page, just redirect them to your website's homepage. It's much better than just showing a 404 error. No matter what, I always recommend redirecting 404 errors. Even if that original content is gone, send visitors to the most logical alternative page or your homepage as a last resort. Just keep them engaged in your website. They clicked it for a reason. So you're almost ready to tackle those pesky 404s. We covered why they hurt, the magic redirects, and how the redirection plugin helps. Now, a word of caution. Redirects are powerful. Setting them up incorrectly can cause a lot of issues though. A wrong redirect can send people to the wrong place or even create loops. So what's my advice on this? Well, the first time you set up a redirect, especially if you're not super techy, ask your web developer for a quick look or guidance, just to be safe. Then once you see how it works, you'll likely feel comfortable managing yourself using the plugin's 404 log. Or even better, this is something your web developer can monitor for you as part of a website care plan. And that way, you know it's always being taken care of. But whatever you do, just be careful setting up redirects and make sure that they work properly after you set them up. And once again, I do recommend making checking for 404s a regular part of your website maintenance, either for yourself or through a care plan. So there you have it. No more of those page not found 404 errors to scare away your customers. If you found this helpful and want more simple tips to improve your website and get more customers, hit the subscribe button. And remember, a smooth website experience turns those visitors into customers. So go check those 404s.